Hello, my name is Mike Levy, and I'm the Growth Services Director here at GenEdge. Today, I want to introduce the small manufacturers to a very important element in market planning, and that is the concept of a marketing objective. In your small manufacturing enterprise, you want to treat marketing like any other part of your functional business as a process that you can measure and control. Just like you have project or operational objectives and metrics, your marketing resources should be guided by clearly defined boundaries of execution. And like other parts of your business, having clearly defined processes and boundaries helps eliminate waste. And in the case of marketing, it's even more important since many small manufacturing business owners don't understand how their marketing resources are adding value. So, in the marketing context, a marketing objective should be part of a documented marketing plan that is outlined to achieve some specific customer centric strategic goal. Make it simple. According to standard strategic planning guidance, a marketing objective should have the following 5 elements. Number one, it deals with a single specific topic, not abstractions or fancy language. Two, an objective should relate to a result or desired outcome, not an activity. Third, a marketing objective should be measurable, which is very important because that will help form a baseline for measuring return on marketing dollars spent. Ideally, an objective should be bound or have a stated deadline for execution. And finally, an objective should be challenging but achievable. Again, this is just a basic and simple outline. Our aim in marketing for small manufacturing enterprises here at GenEdge is to help make things simpler, not more complex. If you want to use SMART goals, like many of our Lean Six Sigma practitioners do, you could use that framework, which stands for strategic, measurable, achievable, realistic, and timely. Whatever works for you, just make sure it makes sense and rationalizes within the manufacturing context. And it's not abstract, something abstract that you can't understand. Whatever works for you, just make sure you and your marketing team are working toward the same objective on the same page, just like your operations team does. Once you have objectives stated, those can be broken down into the work breakdown structures on a manageable Gantt chart that provides visibility and accountability to the manufacturing business owner. I hope this helps, and I wish you well in your marketing journey.